Guys, life really just doesn't get much better than what it is for me now. There was a time in my life where it was tough, struggled, was depressed, anxious, and now that I'm 40 years old, work's paying off, building up cash flow, building up assets, things are looking up, you know, still hustling day to day, but, I just don't have to worry as much, don't have to hustle as hard. Things are coming together because I just consistently continue to do what I need to do day after day, week after week. Things get better. At times they seem like they sucked, and things weren't going to work out, maybe. Pain. But, guys, it'll get better. You just have to keep going, keep doing what you need to do. The path that I took, running my own business, basically, it was hard for the first 5 years, but now, I'm able to come out, sit at this park while I'm waiting on another job. These are just things that I wouldn't have been able to do if I would have continued working for someone else. It's got its benefits, being self-employed, and it's got its downsides as well. But overall, the benefits for me and the way I want to live my life, they're much better than working for somebody else. And you really don't have job security necessarily. It probably is a little bit more secure, but if you're a hard worker, you're ethical, you're at the top of what you do, and you're willing to work hard and consistently do it, and get up even when you don't feel like it, and put in the hours, put in the work, no matter what you're doing, you're going to be successful. And I knew I could do it because I know how I am. And even through times where, it was tough. But I'm going 10 years strong now, self-employed, still doing the same thing, build a great business. My life's better than it's ever been. Things are looking up. And for you younger guys, you can do it. You just can't let the other people bring you down that are negative. Especially, I got into the electrical trades, and unfortunately, there's a lot of negative people. When you go work for other companies, got really limited mindsets. Because their mindset is being into the 9 to 5 and only making a certain amount of money, and it's really hard for them to see beyond that and the potential. So these people limit their potential, a lot of times become negative, and you just can't listen to a lot of that. Know your worth, know what you can do, and just get out there and do it, man. Because I'm loving it. Some days suck. It's not all roses every single day, but I trust in God. I do the right things. I eat right, take care of myself, and I've done the right things. And I've noticed that most of the other people that I knew were not doing a lot of these things. They weren't restricting their spending. They weren't, they were just going out and doing what everybody else is doing, which getting themselves in debt, causing themselves a lot of problems. So, don't give up, guys. Inflation, all of these things might be hurting us, hurting the economy, making it harder to find jobs and make money and live a good life, but it's possible. But the way you have to do it, if you're starting from the bottom, is you just have to not spend on things that you don't need until you've built up money. Invest. A lot of these different things. So you can research it and learn from a lot of good people. So don't lose hope, guys. Life is good. Make it a good day. God bless.